Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a group on the Signal application on your iPhones in 2021. Now, it's actually really easy to do this. All you have to do is head over to the Signal application and open that up once you've made an account. And once you're on the Signal application, you're going to see this as your home screen here. So all you have to do to create a group is go to the top right corner where you see the pencil and click on that. And then you'll see an option for a new group. So you just go ahead and click on new group. And then here you'll be able to invite any friends that you already have on the Signal application. Otherwise, you could search for their phone numbers and filter by their phone numbers if you would like to as well. Otherwise, you can just click on skip if you don't have anyone as of right now. So you just go ahead and click on skip, or you can click on one that you would like to add and then just click on next. But for this tutorial, I'll just click on skip for now. And then you'll be able to name the group here. So you can just name it whatever you would like. I'm just going to name this one test. And then you could also upload a picture for the group as well, just by clicking on this little photo icon here and choosing either camera or photo library, and then choosing any appropriate photo that you would like to have as the picture for the group. Anyhow, once you're done doing that, you can go ahead and click on create. Then here you'll see the test group has been made, and you could set it up to approve new members if you would like to. You could also enable and share the link right here as well. So totally up to you if you guys want to do that. I'm just going to click on cancel for now. And as you see here, we're able to start a group call and stuff if we want to, and add whoever we would like to by clicking on invite friends right here. Really, really easy to set up. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to create a group on this Signal application. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.